I'm Professor Indra Abeysekerra. Let's look at an example of an ethnographic study. For this purpose, I took a journal article titled British-born Pakistani and Bangladesh young men exploring unstable concepts of Muslim Islamophobia and racialization, published in Critical Sociology. The purpose of undertaking this study was to understand Birmingham-born Pakistani and Bangladeshi descendant young working-class Muslim men's meaningful experiences about identity in the UK. Arguments that were made for undertaking this study was fourfold. The first one, there were wrong assumptions on the explanatory framework, assuming a shift from ethnicity to religion, accompanying a shift from racialization to Islamophobia. Second, singularity of religion. It was pointed out the cultural condition cannot conceptually contain within a singular category of religion. Third, shifting geopolitical process. These young men's cultural conditions were embedded within a range of intensified and ambivalent, rapidly shifting local, national, and international geopolitical processes. Fourth, changing Muslim diaspora in Britain. These young men inhabit specific lifestyles within a spatial context of diverse social trajectories among a changing Muslim diaspora in Britain. The sample for this study was Birmingham-born young men of Pakistani and Bangladesh heritage. The respondents for this study were cases of states rather than just individuals who bear a certain designated properties of a variable. The sample plan was purposive. The study recorded experiences of 48 participants, 30 Pakistani and 18 Bangladeshi working class young men aged between 16 and. The study also used snowball sampling plan. The researchers were later introduced to two young men who were politically involved in the local area, who introduced researchers to other young people of other friends, family, and community representation. The data collection method, establishing a mutually trusting relationship, is central to ethnography, given that the study was conducted over a long period, 3-year period from 2008 to 2011. And the researchers had to go native in that period to understand the cultural perspective, to understand the perspectives from the natives' viewpoint. Second, they also conducted group and life history interviews. They conducted at local community centers. Each interview was 45 to 90 minutes, and these interviews provided insight into growing up, families, schooling, social life, and local community cafes. Third, researchers conducted interviews with parents. Fourth, they made notes based on observations. Fifth, they also conducted and recorded informal conversations. They knew only the Western culture. In relation to discourses, they looked at the social logics of the society's perspectives as seeing these young men as terrorists and vulnerable terrorist recruits, unemployed youth, whereas the natives' perspectives were their parents working hard to make a living. Third, constructions. The social logic was they were cultural pathogens. The natives' perspective was they were Muslims by descent rather than by faith.